The China Study is a book written by T. Colin Campbell, Ph.D., and Thomas M. Campbell II, which was published in 2005. It presents the findings of a comprehensive study that examined the link between diet and lifestyle factors and the prevalence of chronic diseases in China. The study is often cited in discussions about plant-based diets and their potential health benefits. Here are the key points and a summary of the China Study. Study background. The China-Cornell-Oxford project, known as the China Study, was a collaborative effort between Cornell University, Oxford University, and the Chinese Academy of Preventive Medicine. It aimed to investigate the dietary habits of Chinese populations and their connection to various chronic diseases. Scope of the study. The study was conducted in the early 1980s and involved surveying dietary habits and disease rates in 65 rural Chinese counties, as well as follow-up research in 130 villages. Data was collected from over 6,500 adults from different socioeconomic backgrounds. Plant-based diet connection. One of the primary findings of the study was the association between a plant-based diet and lower rates of chronic diseases, including heart disease, certain cancers, diabetes, and obesity. Animal protein and disease. The authors observed that regions with higher consumption of animal-based foods, particularly meat and dairy, had higher rates of chronic diseases. They suggested that animal protein might play a role in promoting these diseases. Casein and cancer. The study also explored the impact of casein, a protein found in milk, on cancer growth in laboratory experiments using rats. The researchers reported that casein consumption appeared to promote cancer cell growth. Diet and autoimmune diseases. The book discusses how a diet high in plant-based foods may help reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases, such as multiple sclerosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Whole foods versus processed foods. The China Study emphasizes the importance of consuming whole, unprocessed foods as opposed to refined and processed foods. Whole plant-based foods are rich in nutrients and fiber, contributing to better health outcomes. Health implications. The book advocates for adopting a whole food, plant-based diet as a means to prevent and reverse chronic diseases and promote overall health and longevity. Criticism and controversy. While the China Study has gained popularity in promoting plant-based diets, it has also faced criticism from some researchers and health experts who argue that not all of its conclusions are supported by other scientific studies. Summary. In summary, the China Study presents a comprehensive examination of the relationship between diet and chronic diseases in rural Chinese populations. The study suggests that a diet centered around whole, plant-based foods may be associated with lower rates of chronic diseases, while higher consumption of animal-based foods may increase the risk of such diseases. The book advocates for adopting a whole food, plant-based diet to promote better health and prevent chronic illnesses. However, like any scientific research, its findings have been both supported and challenged by other studies, and individual dietary choices should be made based on a holistic consideration of various factors, including personal health,